Well, today on Muscle and Cars, we're not working on any of our stuff. I am actually currently working on a customer's 68 Chevy Camaro. It's got a built LT153, Procharged, Magnum 6-speed. We had a fuel injector leak. We're gonna fix that, put the intake back on, and customer come pick it up for a car show Saturday. Sorry about the fan, guys, but if you look real close, right there, see, that O-ring had rolled, and that was leaking fuel. Look at that. Yep. We're gonna fix that. No matter what, when you take this rail out, you have to replace each nylon seal. There's 2 on each injector. But you're not just gonna be able to push that over that because it's too big. So put your nylon seal and push it onto just a punch. That way you can get it kind of spaced out. Push it on there, then put you a hose with a hose clamp over that, tighten it up real good, and it'll make that nylon bond back to the end of the injector.